So what we have here is a Common Core recommended primary. So this means it's recommended for primary use here in the state of Utah. Literature and writing, or English language arts curriculum that's aligned with Common Core.
For first graders.
This is for first graders, so one of the first things that they teach the 6-year-olds is how to use emotional words. Now, I have to tell you, my 6-year-old already knows the emotional words because she's... We have emotional conversations, but it's not what they want. They're looking for is, here's the instruction to the teacher. Tell students that when they write a call to action, they should include emotional words to get the readers to feel so strongly about the problem that they want to do what is being asked of them. The job done. Why did the writer say we could be without a part for months or even years? And this is the conversation to have with these 6-year-olds. By stating the worst that could happen if the company builds houses, the writer appeals to the reader's feelings of anger. So we're teaching the 6-year-olds to stir up anger and fear in their readers in order to accomplish the social.
Do you think it would be fair to call this
about how to do emotional words? It gives. We should look at some of the workbook stuff on how to learn to use emotional words. Again, this is in the same curriculum. So the child is to read each sentence and to choose the emotional word or phrase. So here's one. My mom always tells me to clean my room or nags me to clean my room. And of course they're supposed to circle the word nags. That's the correct answer because that's the emotional word.
What's this book?
All right, so this is for third graders. But one thing I noticed as I went through third and fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh grade is they all had this similar theme. Where here for literature and writing, in the literature and writing class, the purpose and goal that's stated is that they want teachers to be measuring attitudes, beliefs, and dispositions, and they actually give them a rubric and a chart for tracking that.
What?
Yeah, and again, this is approved for primary use in the state of Utah. So we have a student observation form. Just zoom in on that. The student observation form on the assessment handbook is an informal assessment tool that notes growth and change in individual students' behaviors and attitudes.
Wow.
And so in the rubric here, does the student effectively use the first person plural, we and our, to advocate ways to solve social problems? Are they learning how to do that? And again, the rubric here includes things like, do they understand and know when something is unfair? Do they recognize social problems? Do they work with others to solve group problems? Again, with changing behaviors and attitudes. And those are the stated goals here for the Zaner bloser voices, literature, and writing. Every grade has these. Every grade